landlord.com. I am in one of my new units. This is a 3-bed, 1-bath apartment, and we have several in this complex. And kind of these are the before pictures. Let me turn the camera. Okay, so our kitchen, we're gonna be setting up we got a dishwasher in this one, and sink in a stovetop. But behind this door, we're going to pop through the back of it and set up a washer and dryer in this bedroom here. So this could kind of be like a den office. So we're probably going to turn this into a 2-bedroom, 1-bath with a den. And right here we got room for an office space here, and that bedroom, real basic bathroom, and another smaller bedroom here. Okay, so stick around for the transformation. We're going to figure out which configuration is best, the 3-bed, 1-bath, or the 2-bed with a den and an office, and wish me luck. Okay, it's December 31st. We got someone ready to move in, and here is our final product. Okay, so that is it. We were able to get it rented out pretty quickly. After we got it staged and got some nice photos, it went pretty quick. It's a lot of space, and we priced it right to move for our holiday special. So that's what we did, and that's how we got another unit up and going. All right, if you're looking for more ways to increase your passive income and reduce your expenses, you know what to do. Just subscribe.